How you doing? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing another passion twist tutorial, but I wanted to do something a little different for you guys. For all of you who have short hair like myself and who have more finer hair, this tutorial is going to be more for you to figure out how, if you're not like sure how to do passion twist. Honestly, it's really hard to do this style if you have finer hair, because our hair does not like bend the same way that someone with more of a like between 3C and 4C type hair pattern does. So we have to make it work some kind of way. So this video is for those of you who need that help. So if you need help with this tutorial, stick around and keep watching.
Okay guys, so the hair that I am reviewing today is by Saria. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's an Amazon store and they sent me this hair to review it for you guys, so that's what I'm doing. They also sent over some free things, like some goodies in this bag, which would be some instructional guides, some hair accessories, clips, and some rubber bands for to crochet this crochet. In total, I received 6 packs of hair, and they're about 20 to 25 pieces in each bundle, I guess. And I don't know if you want to say bundle or not, but the hair is soft, and it's very lightweight. The only disadvantage is once your hair is twisted, if you feel like you want to redo the twist after a week, it kind of like molds together, and so it's hard to untwist the hair to retwist. I did wash and clean this hair prior to styling it. I did film that part, but I totally forgot to include it. But if you guys want me to upload that, I can upload it and show you how I clean the hair to get rid of all of the chemicals before I install. Okay, so here's the base, and as you can tell, I'm doing kind of like this rubber band connecty thing. I don't know if this even has a real name, but I remember we used to do this hairstyle back when we were kids, and it was popular back then, and I thought really hard and long about this because I didn't feel like cornrolling. I do not cornrow very well on my own hair, and when I do, it doesn't last long. So I wanted to do something that I thought would last a little bit better, and so I decided to go with this, and it helped for a little bit, maybe about a week or two, about 2 weeks, and that's all I wanted was a hairstyle for 2 weeks. And so, you know, I felt like it was good for this style. So from there, I'm going to continue to fill in each section with the crochet hair, and you want to make sure that you pre-crochet your hair, pre-twist your hair in order to make the crochet. All I did was wrapped a piece of string around a chair, and then I twisted each section onto the string, each piece of hair onto the string, and I used 2 pieces per twist. And then when I got to the front, so in the front, due to my hair being thin and a lot finer, when I get passion twist, my hair will either stick out of the twist or it will start to basically come out at the root. So I had to figure out what a method to use so that they wouldn't come out. So I searched and came up with a solution. I did the knotless box braid method, and I just used small amounts of hair, like shorter small amounts of hair, and then I crocheted the hair into at the root, and then went ahead and twisted down to get that you know, like that passion twist look. And it actually did turning out really flexible, and I didn't have any leave, like no pieces were sticking out. It did take about 4 or 5 days for pieces to start sticking out, but that was my fault because I didn't secure it very well. But yeah, so that's how I did this style. That's how I achieved this on finer hair.
So guys, thanks again for coming back to my channel. If you enjoyed it, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. That makes sure that people can see this video and that it gets tossed around the web, so when people search it, they will find this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I would love for you to be a part of this awesome family. I'm so thankful for you guys. And also, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I didn't include, sometimes I forget to include certain things, but you can always ask me down in the comments and I am always answering. So guys, again, thanks for coming back to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video.